Hi students, welcome back. This is Science Distance Learning for April 13th through the 17th. I'm going to start out with a little cartoon that I found. I thought it was cute. We know that the Earth has one moon, but Saturn has over 82 moons. And in the cartoon you can see Saturn offering a moon to Earth. By the way, that's not how Earth got its moon, in case that's what you're thinking. It's just for fun. For your work week, you're going to complete a gizmo about moon phases. You don't have to do this all in one sitting. I'm going to break it apart in 3 pieces and talk about them separately. The first part is the prior knowledge portion on the gizmo paper that you will turn in. This is to be completed without looking up any answers. I just want to see what you know before you start the gizmo. After that, there's a gizmo warm-up, and then you're going to head on to part A. The gizmo link, by the way, is included. If you have any trouble logging in, please contact me. Here is the login button that you want to go to up at the top of the screen. Most of you have this saved on your Chromebook. If you're using a different computer than your school Chromebook and you've forgotten your login, please email me and I can get that information to you. After you complete part A, you're going to head on to part B. And then there is an extension, which is optional, and a quiz, which is not optional. The quiz is located under the Gizmo workspace. You have to scroll down and you have to submit your quiz results when you're finished. I'll show that to you in a minute. So you're going to go to the Gizmo site with the link that I gave you. You're going to go to Login and Enroll. Most of you have this saved, as I do. Your information is going to look slightly different from mine, but when you click into your class, you should see phases of the moon. And then I have to get mine started. This is your workspace. So I'm going to show you some of the tools. Here is the control button to make it start. And when I do that, you can see that the time is moving, the days, the hours, and the minutes. You can see that the Earth or the moon is going around the Earth here, and you can see how the phase is changing. Notice the sun is right here where it says sun. Okay, and you can stop it at any point. You can even take a picture, which you'll need to do. To do that, you could go up here, click on the camera. It makes a screenshot for you. You can double click with 2 fingers, click on it and save the image or copy the image. And then you would be able to take it to the form that you're going to be completing and turning in. This is the reset button, so you can get it to where you started at the beginning. There's also a flag option where there's now a red flag on the moon, and you can see what happens as the flag is in that position. And then you can reset it to start over. I would suggest that you have this open in one screen, and then you open up the sheet that you're going to turn in another screen. Put me down here somewhere. So this first part is your prior knowledge, and then the gizmo warm-up. Just follow the directions. It tells you to reset the gizmo, and then you're going to do what it tells you. And where you see the red word answer, that's where you need to type an answer. You can answer it in any color font that you'd like. Just make sure it's a dark color, not yellow or a light color that's hard to see. By using a colored font text, then if you have to leave and come back, you can see exactly where you left off and not miss anything. Okay? And when you get to part B normally would have you drawing on the paper, but obviously we can't do that. So you're going to use images to answer the question, but you can't answer them here. You're going to answer them down below. So for example, it says the phase for the new moon, if I make this a little bit bigger, we can see that the sun is over here. Here's the Earth and here's the moon. So this is the new moon at day 0. The waxing crescent is at day 4, but you need to find out what is the phase at day 7 and day 8. So you're going to go back and run the gizmo, take a picture of that phase, and then down here is where you would put that. Now, I already tried this, and I know that it's first quarter or waxing gibbous, so I'm going to try it. Let's run the gizmo and see. I'm going to start here, and I'm waiting for it to get to day 7 or 8, and then I'm going to stop it. Takes a little bit of time. We're at day 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. So it does say waxing gibbous, like I said. I'm going to take a picture of that. I'm going to copy it using 2 fingers, copy the image, then I'm going to go back over to this page. And I already typed in the name, so now I just need to put that image there, and it's ginormous, so I'm going to resize it. And you can do that too, otherwise it's going to take up too much space. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for all of these parts, dragging an image over and labeling it. Okay, you're going to get to part 2 where you make some predictions, and then you're going to test your predictions. This extension is optional. In fact, I'm going to type on there, optional. About how to type. You can do that part if you'd like. You don't have to. The quiz, I said, is not optional. To find the quiz, I need to get out of here. I'm going to scroll down under the workspace. Here I can see it is a multiple choice quiz. There are about 7 or 8 maybe questions, maybe fewer. And then you are going to submit the quiz to me. Right? If you have any questions on any of this, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Have a good day. And like I said, you don't have to complete this all in one sitting. Talk to you later. Bye.